Hi dear students, this is Mohammad Din Raji, English lecturer at Government Boys Degree College, Dehki. Before delivering lecture, I've got a message for you. Please stay at home, wash your hands properly. Let's fight COVID-19 together. So today, I've got topic for you: difference between gerund and present and present participle and past participle and their usage. So first of all, let me make it clear what is participle, present participle. As you know, we use present participle in all present continuous, past continuous and future continuous tenses. Along with present, past and future continuous, we also use present participle in present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. For example, I am reading a book. At the same time, he was reading a book. Here, reading is and writing is what? Present participle. In the same manner, I can say I shall be writing a novel. So we can use present participle in all continuous tenses and all present, past and future perfect continuous tenses. Let's suppose I have been watching an English movie, or he had been watching an English movie, or I shall have been watching an English movie. So out of present continuous and present perfect continuous, we have another use of present participle as well. Let's suppose how we use present participle with the past form of the verb. Let's suppose I saw him reading a book. Here, reading is also present participle. I saw him reading a book. Now in Hindi, माँ उनके एक किताब पढ़ने बैठो. In Urdu, मैंने उसे एक किताब पढ़ते देखा. In the same manner, we can use present participle and other with the other past verb as well. Let's suppose she found you writing an essay. Or I, let's suppose, I felt them gambling. So she found you writing an essay. उसने आपको एक मकाला लिखते देखा. In Sindhi, we can say that the voice the or they उन्होंने के खिलंदे ॾिठो, उन्होंने के पढ़ंदे ॾिठो, उन्होंने के स्कूल वेंदे ॾिठो. एंड उर्दू उसने उन्हें बुक पढ़ते देखा. तो इन उर्दू we can say they आता comes in last as a symbol. Let's suppose मैंने उसे स्कूल जाते देखा, उसने खत पढ़ते देखा, उसने उसको कहानी लिखते देखा. So here we have got another example, another usage of present participle in with past world. Let's suppose let's suppose I found him going to college. मैं उनके कॉलेज बींदे दिठो. Now here बींदे खाएंगे पीएंगे घूमते फिरते is what present participle, which is to be used with the past form of the word. Now this is what this entire diagram is of usage of present participle. Now I shall quote example of gerund. And you can use present participle and adjective as well before coming to gerund. Let's suppose how this is a loving scene. Here loving is present participle, and here when we attach loving with scene, which is noun, so here loving is what? Adjective. So we can say that present participle is to be used as an adjective as well. Let's suppose we have another example. Let me quote another example. This is a charming lady. Here charming is what? An adjective is to be attached with the noun lady. So present participle is to be used as adjective too. Let's suppose how this is a charming lady and this is a loving book. We can quote other example as well. So present participle is to be used in all present, past and future continuous tenses, present, past and future perfect continuous tenses, and with the past form of the main verb with the meaning that I saw him reading book by changing positive case we can use. Then we have another use of present participle as an adjective. Let's suppose this is a loving scene, this is a charming lady. So this is what proper use of present participle. Now I shall talk about gerund and what is difference between gerund and present participle. Basically gerund is a verbal noun because gerund is found from verb. Let's suppose we have got verb watch. By attaching in, we can make it watching. Here watching is what? Gerund. Gerund is what? A verbal noun. Any noun which is derived from word or taken from verb. It is verbal noun means name of verb. How? Let's suppose now let me quote example of gerund. Now reading book is a good habit. Here reading is what? Gerund. In Sindhi किताब पढ़ना एक सुठी आदत है. In Urdu किताब पढ़ना एक अच्छी आदत है. What is so simple of gerund in Sindhi and Urdu? Let's suppose in Sindhi in last we can make it visible with noon, and in Urdu ना पढ़ना लिखना जाना. In Urdu we can identify with the symbol of na. जाना, खाना, पीना, पढ़न, लिखन, घूमन, फिरन, खायन, पियन. So gerund is verbal noun. We can place gerund in the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of sentence, and the last of sentence. Let's suppose how he said, I like watching English movies. He said, I like English movies. Here, watching is what? Gerund. And we have placed in the middle of the sentence. He said, I like watching English movies. At the same time, we can place gerund in the last of the sentence. How? He disliked smoking. Now, he disliked smoking. Here, smoking is what? Gerund. And we have placed in the last. How we can use gerund in the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, and in the last of the sentence. Now, coming to the major topic, what is difference between present participle and gerund? Because the structure is same. As the structure of present participle and the structure of gerund is quite same. Now, what is difference and how we can make differentiate between gerund and present participle? Now, coming to the point, present participle, as you know, is to be used in all continuous and all perfect continuous, and future continuous, present perfect and continuous, and with the past form the main verb is to be used. Whereas gerund is verbal noun which has got different meaning of noun. That's why we can easily differentiate between present participle and gerund. Let's suppose how, if I am writing down here, she is reading newspaper. She is reading a newspaper. Here, reading is present participle because we have used as a verb. We have used as a verb and we have attached ing by making it present participle, or we can call it fourth form of the main verb as well. But if we take reading here, now she is reading a newspaper. Where reading is what? Verb. Verb, and she is reading newspaper. Reading is verb. But if we now write down newspaper, reading newspaper, or we can say newspaper reading, is a good habit. So here, reading is what? Gerund. If we mean it's Hindi or Urdu, वो एक अखबार पढ़ रही है या वो एक अखबार पढ़ी रही है. Here, newspaper reading is a good habit. अखबार पढ़ना एक सुठी आदत आहे. So here, reading is what? Gerund. Simply, we can differentiate that if it is used as verb, it is present participle. If it gives the meaning of noon in Sindhi and ta or te in Urdu, then it is what? Present. It is what? Start. Here, newspaper reading is a good habit. Here, reading is what? Gerund. Because reading, here reading is present participle because it is working as verb. Here, reading is gerund because it is working as gerund. We can differentiate in gerund and participle by uttering in Sindhi or Urdu. As अखबार पढ़ना सुठी आदत है. वो अखबार पढ़ी रहे है and पढ़ना. Now it is what? Verbal noun means name of verb. So here reading is gerund and here reading is what? Verb. And simply, now coming to our next topic, what is difference between present participle and past participle? Past participle. In fact, what is past participle? If I write down here, I have watched a movie. Now I have watched a movie here. Watched has been used as a verb. When watched has been used as a verb, and if I use third form of the main verb as an adjective, let's suppose this is watched movie. Here watched is past participle because when the third form of the main verb is to be used as verb, it's known as simply third form of the main verb. But if we use third form as an adjective, then it is called past participle. As rotten apple is not good for health, as read newspaper is not to be read again, as we can choose, I do not like watched movies. Here watched movies is what? Noun. As I have written down here, this is watched movie. He literal film I. Here watched when is to be attached with noun and is followed by noun, then here watched has been turned as an adjective. When any third form of the main verb turned as an adjective, then it is called was, it's called past participle. So this is what basic difference of present participle, past participle and gerund. Means to say, let me quote another example. I don't like rotten apple. Now apple is what? Noun. And here third form of the main verb is to be used as an adjective. माँ सड़ल या गरल सूप पसंद न तो मैं. Means here rotten is what? Rotten is has been used as an adjective because it is attached with noun. When any adjective is followed by noun and it gives the meaning of adjective, then it is called as past participle. So let me quote another example of past participle. Let's suppose she remarked about written essay. Here essay is noun and written is has been turned as an adjective. She remarked about written essay. Written essay means here written has been turned as an adjective. When any third form of the main verb works as an adjective, it is called past participle. Hopefully you understood my lecture. It is my first experience. We are running short of dates. We are running short of different required dates in order to give a standard lecture, in order to deliver standard lecture. Therefore, hopefully in future I shall deliver lecture with required dates. And till then, bye bye. Thanks.